Welcome back, guys.
We're back.
Today we have Roaming Roosters.
Checking out their chicken sandwich and their chicken nuggets.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
Peace.
All right, y'all. We done got the good.
Yeah, got the nice chicken sandwich.
Can't forget. Got break it down. The drink.
I'll tell me the name of yours. This is the
What's that one called?
the honey
butter.
honey butter sandwich.
With the Roaming Rooster honey butter sandwich. All right, I'm gonna take mine out the pack just to show y'all.
This right.
2 patties. Buffalo. This the buffalo.
Buffalo ranch, right?
Yeah, buffalo ranch. And let's get into it.
No. Good. I like how they keep the chicken breast cut thin, but they give you two like thin slice
Like a Big Mac
chicken sandwich.
chicken sandwich. Better than the Big Mac chicken sandwich.
It's good.
You sure you want to taste it?
What's your mom?
It's good. I ain't gonna lie.
Let me just eat this one.
Get this piece right here. Ain't got a lot of ranch. Ain't really ranchy. You see what I'm saying? It's good.
Yes.
I'm gonna taste yours.
Nice and spicy. I hope this ain't about you. Got it?
Yeah, hold my sandwich. Look at me. Oh, boo.
It's good, right?
It's good.
They're both good, yeah.
Nice and the chicken is fresh.
I think I like the buffalo a little bit better.
Got a little flavor to it.
Yeah, it's more flavorful. The honey butter is good, but I like the buffalo.
It's buffalo. That's like a sweet, savory, buttery. Yeah. Crunchy.
It's good though. We also got the nuggets too. And shout out to Octavius, yeah. He hooked us up.
At the Roaming Rooster.
At the Roaming Roosters. He hooked us up.
He said these two.
They enjoy both of these too.
These 2 sandwiches are the
Most ordered.
the best ones on their menu.
The most recommended.
Most recommended, yeah. Yeah, all of them good. But these joints,
The chicken strips and the chicken nuggets as well, he said too.
yeah. And it's a level to the spice, right? So they got mild, hot, hotter, and fire.
Yeah.
But this mild.
The
When I
mild
think
got
about
spice on it too.
it got a little. It got a spice. But I could have got a spicy.
Oh yeah, you could have.
But it don't matter.
It's still flavor
good.
real good, yeah. We try the spicy one next time. But all in all, it's good though.
Got some of this chicken.
Gotta get the pickles on the side, right?
It's like a sweet dill pickle.
This is good though.
This is good. Shout out to Big Keith again
Oh yeah, for putting this on.
for putting this on. We've been supposed to eat here
Yeah. You've been talking about this for a minute.
for a long time. They got another spot in Woodmore, Maryland,
Yeah.
over by the Target.
Yep. We came to the one in D.C., y'all.
So, yeah. There's some little spicy sauce. I'm gonna try that too. I'm gonna try that on my nuggets.
He's been doing all the eat spots on the logo. He's 2 for 2 right now. 2 for 2.
2 for 2. We're going up. 50 likes. 50 likes. Y'all, this ain't good. You gotta take my time on these ones.
You're trying to go them crushing.
The chicken nice and flavorful.
They give you 2 nice pieces.
It's seasoned. The batter not hard.
And 2 nice sized pieces. For real.
I thought it was gonna be like a big chunky chunk. You know how it be like, you know? This is perfect. When this drink first opened up, this line was out the door.
Yep. Every time we come down here,
It was busy.
couldn't get in. I wasn't waiting all that time. There it is again. Every video, right?
Let me dropping something.
Come in after. Keep the tradition going, right? No, stop now.
I'm gonna do the last piece like this. It's getting good. This ain't good.
You got your old nuggets. It's gone, guys.
It's gone.
That's one good sign.
2 down.
6, 1.
You need that water, man.
And then like some fresh cold water.
That drink good. That drink good. Okay, y'all. Did we show them nuggets now?
No, not yet.
Okay, y'all. Nuggets. This the. Can you see it? Okay.
Go ahead, do the honors. Let's try one first.
We're gonna try it together.
All right.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
Oh, hold on, guys. Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready. Ain't they good?
And they fluffy.
Fluffy?
Uh-huh.
All right.
They're like air. Fluffy, right? That buttermilk batter they use. But it ain't soft and fluffy.
Look at that white meat. It's ain't good.
This one has a slightly this has hot.
Yeah. This is hot or mild?
This is hot. We had mild on the sandwiches.
It's like a dry rub. I'm gonna put my pickle.
Okay, your chicken and pickle sandwich.
My chicken pickle going? Let's dip this. Okay.
How that taste? It's spicy.
The sauce don't really taste nothing. Hold on.
Maybe time.
Yeah, the sauce really don't, you don't need the sauce.
The sauce alright.
It's like a mayonnaise base.
Yeah, I better eat like the sauce and stuff like that. But
It's like a mayonnaise base.
I kind of hot though.
They is hot. They all hot.
Open your sinuses up. Well, mine anyway.
And nice size too.
Mm-hmm.
Juicy. Hold it.
I got it. They get some
I
big
see how
chunks
juicy
of,
that is.
big chunks of nuggets. Big chunks of breast. All white meat.
It's good, guys. It's good. What you rate it?
When I rate this,
It's hot. It is spicy.
for what it is, I say probably 8.5.
8.5.
Mm-hmm.
I say the same.
8.5.
8.5. This is good.
It's good. Mm-hmm.
It's a nice quality chicken sandwich
Yeah.
with nice buttery bread.
Yeah, seasoned real good too.
It was $10.
The price was good.
Price was good. 6 nuggets for $6. Was that $1 nugget?
Mm-hmm.
And they actually gave us a little more.
Yeah. You got that last one?
You sure?
You will cut the last one. Spicy.
Last pickle.
It's all gone. It's all gone, guys. You all can see. No more napkin, please. Thank you.
We demolished that
Yep.
in 1.5 seconds.
That was good, guys.
That was good.
If there's a roaming rooster around your area, check them out. They good. You won't be disappointed.
I don't know if they in the area, any other area. I gotta look that up.
Yeah. And then
That's
tell
a
them,
good, and yeah.
then
Just
tell them
look it
Tree and
up.
Ray sent you.
Yeah, time to see and Ray sent you.
And as always, if it's gone,
It's good.
y'all
Let's
be
get
blessed.
it, guys.
Peace.